Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market? The stock market can be an exciting and profitable place, but it can also be very risky if you don't know what you're doing. In this video, we will show you the basic concepts to begin investing in the stock market intelligently. Before starting to invest, it is important to set your financial goals and familiarize yourself with the different types of investments available. A financial advisor can help you establish an investment plan that fits your needs. When investing in the stock market, it is important to research the companies you are interested in. Study their financial history, their market position, and their growth prospects. It is also important to monitor your investments and be aware of market fluctuations. Don't let emotions guide you and stick to your investment plan. With a bit of patience and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals through stock market investment. Start your journey towards financial freedom today.